My name is Lucy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Unit 8, Lesson 2, Nature. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, letter X.
X
sound.
X is for box.
Box. Again,
Box.
box. One more time.
Box.
Box. Alright, next one. We have
Taxi.
again,
Taxi.
taxi. One more time.
Taxi.
Taxi. Good job. Here we go. We have
Sun.
sun,
Moon.
moon,
Clouds.
clouds,
Stars. Rainbow.
rainbow. All right, good job. Here we go. I
I
see
the sun.
One more time.
I see the sun.
I see the sun. Louder.
I see the sun.
I see the sun. Faster.
I see the sun.
I see the sun. Okay, here we go. I see
The moon.
again.
I see the moon.
I see the moon. Louder.
I see the moon.
I see the moon. Faster.
I see the moon.
I see the moon. Good job. Okay. Next. I see
The
the
clouds.
clouds. Again.
I see the clouds.
Awesome. I see the clouds. Louder.
I see the clouds.
I see the clouds. Faster.
I see the clouds.
I see the clouds. All right. One more time. We have star. Here we go. I see the stars. Awesome. Again.
I see the stars.
I see the stars. Louder.
I see the stars.
I see the stars. Faster.
I see the stars.
I see the stars. All right, here we go.
I see a rainbow.
I see the rainbow. Here we are.
I see the rainbow.
I see the rainbow. Louder.
I see the rainbow.
I see the rainbow. Faster.
I see the rainbow.
I see the rainbow. All right, let's add one more.
I see the rain.
I see the rain. Again.
I see the rain.
I see the rain. Louder.
I see the rain.
I see the rain. Faster.
I see the rain.
I see the rain. Good job, everyone.